Joey's house right now. He messaged me yesterday sometime with some pictures of Lil Satan. The old motor that we blew up was completely off. I don't know if I brought that up, that the last time that we took him out in the video on the ice, we blew him up. So we got a new motor for him. It's a 1/2 horsepower bigger, twin cylinder again. Looks really nice on there, and we're going to check it out right now. Got a whole nother body, huh?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Twin carbs.
Twin carb.
Oh, dang. That's freaking cool.
The exhaust pipes can't stay there. I'm gonna have Lucky's bend the pipes a little bit so we can fit them in. Because the tires, not this one, but the other side rubs. Well, this one does eventually, I think.
Oh. Yeah, that might be bad.
But yeah, this one definitely
touches. Definitely.
Enough to get it to drive straight, though.
Oh yeah, we could definitely probably even get it there like that.
He said it wouldn't fire, but the spark plug thing wasn't plugged all the way on either. So, all I'm hoping is they didn't mess with the carb at all, because this one's screw is down a little bit more than that one.
Yeah, that can all be adjusted.
Right.
Is that a fuel pressure regulator?
I don't know, that's what I was trying to figure out. I was like, what the fuck is the point?
Because that goes to the crankcase. It's cracked right there too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it definitely needs some new
I have fuel line.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, that stuff's not cheap either. Dang, external oil filter.
Yeah, with easy access oil changing.
Yeah, unlike the other one.
Yeah.
Where's that at?
I'm just yanking parts off of it for this because it works.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm about to take the bottom pulley off to put underneath there.
Tecumseh, huh?
19 horsepower.
Dude, Tecumseh makes nice engines too.
Yeah, a whole 1/2 horsepower more than the other one.
Yeah, that just looks mean on there.
I'm just trying to figure out, is this going to be the throttle or is this going to be the throttle? Because when you move this, it closes the flaps, but when you do this, I don't know what it does. It's the inside flaps, so I think this is the choke.
Yeah, I was going to say one of them is the choke and one of them is the throttle, and I'd say that this is probably a throttle.
Yeah. He still has the air filter for it, but the dumb part is it points down, so if we do it in the snow, it's just going to suck it right back up, which I think is what happened with the other motor. So remember, there's 2 holes at the bottom of that filter, so I think water definitely got in there.
Yeah, loose transaxle.
I wanted to put that on Lil Satan, but it's welded on there with acid.
Yeah, that's what you said. Oh boy. That's bad. Oh, I know. That thing's sketch as fuck.
Yeah, this one's got a really good turning system. And plus it actually has ball joints for suspension.
Dude, the steering wheel looks like a racing steering wheel.
But did you see the ball joint suspension?
Dude, there's zerks in there and everything. Dang.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Way better.
Oh, I pinched my hand.
Yeah. Compared to this. A solid 4 inches of steering play.
All I gotta do now is just switch the wiring around because this starter and stuff works and it has the key still.
Oh, really?
Just needs a battery.
Yeah, I mean, this is just cool. Let's go check out this other motor.
Yeah, I took the screen thing off the top of that motor, put it on this one because it didn't have that screen on it. And I'm like, well, we learned our lesson the first time.
Yeah.
But none of the bolt holes fit, so I had to kind of.
Oh, well, that works. At least it fits, like, on there. Yeah, the lesson was my finger almost getting lost. Wish we would have had that on camera. Dang.
Sad.
Yeah. Dang.
But yeah, it's definitely full of water. You can hear it splashing around in there.
We're swapping that
Onto that.
onto there.
But I'm trying to think.
It'd be cool, cause if you got a bigger one, wouldn't it make the gearing even better?
That's what I was trying to think. Trying to figure out if this one was bigger or not, but it's hard to tell. And I don't know if this one fits. If I want to spend the money, we can just do it. Yeah, now that other big motor has to come into the collection of engines. Oh shit, I forgot this is the 13 horsepower. I was looking for Little Satan's old.
This one should run, right?
Yeah,
that 13 horsepower.
You just need an exhaust and probably clean the carb up a little bit. I think I did. I think I already cleaned the carb. I can't remember though. Fuck, it's been so long since I touched this one. Oh yeah, there's the one I was looking for.
Just perfectly ported.
But yeah, everything except like the carb, even the pistons in this, I'm pretty sure fit in that. Because I was googling it to make sure.
And that? And
yeah, I'm pretty sure all.
In that?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure all the pistons and stuff switch over.
Really?
Yeah. I think the half horsepower comes from the other carb.
Ooh. Yeesh.
Yeah.
That's not good.
So, send it.
So, send it.
Yeah, it's pretty full. Hey, no, get down.
Good enough. That sounds really good. Hopefully it runs.
Yeah, hopefully it runs. Put a lot of work into this for nothing. Ooh.
Ooh. That could be another reason. There's a mouse in there.
Ugh.
Yeah, but
That's what happened with that, probably.
Yeah, no kidding. And right there too. See?
Yeah.
Chewed through on that one too.
You little bastard.
So, got some damage from the mouse in there. That sucks.
Yeah.
You know.
I want to get that mouse out of there, but I ain't fucking touching it.
Screwdriver.
Yeah. Fuck. It's hard to figure this bitch out. What does the red here go to?
Sucks if those are chewed through a little bit too.
Yeah.
This green obviously goes to this oil.
It looks like they can join into one down there. So those two green wires are definitely the kills for the coil. I'm gonna take the starter off anyway so we can see what these wires look like behind it. So it's like, where do the green wires meet and become one? Okay, so that's if we need to shut it off, we can just clip that.
Okay, so got that going on there. Got the ground off the alternator, grounded to the starter. Hopefully that works. We'll try it.
Yeah. Wiring remembered and figured out.
This is our kill wire to turn the motor off.
Yeah, touch right there.
Yeah. So hopefully all this works here.
If not, we're gonna keep trying.
Yep. Okay, get you guys set up. Alright, turn this on then? Yeah. Okay, fuel is on.
Alright. Well, moment of truth, I guess. Here. For this one. There you go. What time is it? Maybe we can go get a spark tester. It's here. I gotta work at 4.
Yes.
Got about a half hour to get there, get back. Spark test.
$7. Let's go.
We want to test it real quick.
Okay, sure. Well, hello there. Just gonna say hi here quick.
Fresh out the package. Oh, get a boy. Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
pues loca. Muy nuevo, bueno.
Nope.
Definitely no spark there. Well, that ends that test.
Alright, if this side sparks, then we know it's because of this bad wire. If this side doesn't spark, we know it's because we need to swap over the wire harness.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna have to swap over the wire harness, honestly.
God, I hope I was on that. Okay. Alright. There you go.
Nothing.
Period, huh?
Alright, so we don't have spark right now.
So we'll switch the wiring over.
We need to just come over here and this loom here of wires needs to come out.
Yeah.
Oh, barely.
Oh my god. Somehow you can hide this monster behind that fucking thing.
Dude, it fits in there good too. Yeah, no problems. Everything clears. Like, you got an inch of clearance on that side. I'm glad that that still fits on. It's about the same on both sides. I kind of like where the exhaust comes out. I wish we didn't have to.
Yeah, I mean, we can leave it there. Like I said, I'm just gonna have to have somebody bend those pipes,
Yeah.
or if we
Well,
can get a torch that's hot enough, we can just do it ourselves.
I have MAP gas torch.
You think that'll be enough to bend a pipe?
Well, we can get oxygen for it too. I think so. I don't see why not.
Well, might as well try, right?
Yeah. Guaranteed. Just get that wiring harness swapped over and it won't even be nothing but a thing.
Yeah.
I think we'll just start working on this again tomorrow, I think.
Alright.
Alright.
Thanks, Michael, for the help.
Yeah, not a problem. Not a problem. We'll get back to this. I wish we could have showed everyone how it fires up and everything, but
Soon.
Soon.
Something to look forward to.